Welcome to Pepsi MD What's Up, the voice of Youngistan. आज के What's Up पे राघव सचर joins us on What's Up. Harry Potter releases today. World Cup के 8 मैचेस होंगे इंडिया में. Egos में we talk to Raghav about charming Lutera. Welcome to Pepsi MD What's Up, the voice of Youngistan. Joining us today is a very special guest. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is Raghav Sachar who is coming out with his latest album. जिसका नाम है
Charming Lutera.
Exactly. And in case you didn't hear it, it's Charming Lutera. अब Lutera का क्या मतलब है? And all these other questions which you really want to know, we will get into later. Right now, it's time for Youngistan News. Alright, तो राघव आप मुझे बताइए, are you a Harry Potter fan?
Yeah, pretty much.
That's good because you are going to have a lot of fans now because you said that. Everybody's like, yeah, he's a Harry Potter fan. I love him already.
Yeah.
But anyway, as you guys know, today is the day Harry Potter the Half-Blood Prince is releasing. So you have to go and watch it. It's going to be mind-blasting because up they're all grown-ups and like lots of, you know, those kind of scenes are going to be in it. So yeah.
You're going after this.
I'm going right after this to watch the movie. You can come with me if you like. It'll be mind-blasting. World Cup 2011 is not happening in Pakistan anymore. क्या आपको ये मालूम था?
नहीं.
Breaking news है फिर. Well, basically now 8 of the 14 matches India में ही होंगे and the rest of the matches are going to be played in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Now you can go and watch the matches. Are you going to go and watch the matches now?
I might, yeah. It totally depends. I'm not that hugely into cricket, but yeah, since it's in India, I might go.
All the cricket lovers are going fanatic right now. They're like, oh my god, if you book the tickets, it's going to be so exciting. So anyway, write into us and let me know what you guys think about this. Let me give you a little bit of more news before we get into the very interesting stuff. You guys remember कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि Malika Sherawat went to San Francisco. Why? Do you know why?
No.
Well, basically she went there to go visit the Twitter headquarters. You're on Twitter?
I am.
Very good. Alright, so basically वो उधर गई थी to meet her fans and to give them inspirational speech. Now we couldn't get a copy of the speech, लेकिन हमको photos मिले. We have got shocking photos of her visit to San Francisco. Check them out. Youngistan News में बस इतना ही. Now it is time for the interesting stuff. We're going to pick Raghav Sachar's brain and his talents. See वो क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. Well, we're going to find out only on Egos. First things first, आपका album का नाम full name क्या है?
Charming Lutera Raghav Sachar revamped.
Alright, now Charming Lutera का मतलब क्या है?
Charming Lutera का मतलब ये है कि जैसे lyrics जब बने थे, it was essentially made for a film called Loot, and somehow it didn't go in it. And I thought कि this is a very good time for me to revamp my image, and I'm playing 4 characters in it. एक में I'm a singer, I'm a gambler in one, I'm a dancer in the other one, which I usually don't dance, and I'm a Casanova in the 4th one, which is very interesting shooting as well.
एक और चीज़ मैंने सुनी है कि that on the album or the video, the highlight is कि since you're such a big Michael Jackson fan कि आपने moonwalk भी करा है. Is that right?
That's true. That's true.
Wow.
That's one thing that I wanted to do as far as dancing is concerned was moonwalk, because Jackson's just influenced me way too much, and I finally learned it and I have done it, and I hope people enjoy it.
I hear कि आप बहुत ही सारे instruments play करते हैं. 21 to be exact. Is that right?
31.
31. I was wondering how is it possible that a person can only play 21 instruments?
Wrong.
31 instruments.
Yeah.
Wow. थोड़ा सा मजा करते हैं. Let me give you this. Alright, अब मुझे दिखाइए. आप इसको play कर सकते हैं कि नहीं?
Anybody can play this.
Anybody can play this? Right.
Try.
Is that all? Yay! You guys check out a sneak peek of the videos. ये तो बहुत ही माइंड ब्लास्टिंग था. Now, can you play another song जो काफी यंगिस्तानी जानते हैं? I think you know which one I'm talking about.
Dil hai dil.
Exactly.
Well, I get the feeling that I'm gonna be alone, and my heart's a beating in a single drum. जैसे फूलों का हो समा, जैसे खुशबुओं की फिजा, मेरे दिल की है ये सदा करीब आजा. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very nice. Impress.
Alright, so now talking about the current things that are happening, basically mid-July में I think around the 24th or something, Love आजकल release होने वाली है, which also happens to be your birthday, right?
That's right.
We will wish you happy birthday on the 24th of July. Everybody, you have to follow on Twitter and say happy birthday, 24th. Alright, so basically picture release हो रही है and basically we're going to ask Youngistan, you know, कि उनको क्या लगता है Saif Ali Khan's get-up as a Sardar and all that, you know. Have you seen what he looks like?
Yeah.
Now this brings us to Pepsi MD What's Up poll of the day. हम आपसे पूछते हैं, does Saif Ali Khan make a better Sardar than Akshay Kumar? SMS Hayana to 5622 and let us know the voice of Youngistan. कल हमने आपसे पूछा था, does Shahrukh deserve the doctorate? 64% ने कहा, yeah man, Shahrukh deserves everything he gets. लेकिन 36% ने कहा, ना, एमी डॉक्टरेट दे दिया. Okay, जाने का वक्त आ गया है, लेकिन जाने से पहले let me give you a little bit of information. Now, since Raghav Sachar is here and now he's leaving, thank you so much for joining us. It was awesome having you, mind blasting it was. And basically, follow him on Twitter, www.twitter/Raghav Sachar, and you can visit his website
www.raghavsacharmusic.com.
And of course, हमें भी follow कीजिए on Twitter at www.twitter.com/MTVIndia. Watch our show every day at 12 noon. And of course, हमें email कीजिए. Did you like the show? Did you like the music? Did you like Raghav? You have to only say yes. Alright? Alright. So we see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.